Hello guys, this is the last video in this course, and in this video we're not going to check out any HTML. I just want to thank you for watching the tutorials in this course, and it's been a pleasure for me recording tutorials on HTML for you guys, and I wanted to do this for a long time because there are a lot of other subjects that I want to cover, like CSS and JavaScript and PHP and other subjects on web development, maybe jQuery, Ajax and all those things too. But HTML is sort of something that you need to know in order to make websites. You cannot do without having the knowledge of HTML. No matter how good you are at CSS, if you don't understand the basics of HTML, you won't be able to do much. And with the knowledge that you have now, you are in a fantastic position to do some research on your own, and you can read textbooks on HTML. I'm sure there is nothing in HTML that you won't be able to understand now. And you can check out the latest features in HTML5. You can read blogs, or you can even start learning CSS on your own, which is very easy to pick up, and it's very interesting too. And I'm sure I'm going to record a series of tutorials on CSS very soon, but I don't know if I'm going to do that next or not. And I just hope that whatever content we covered in this course was beneficial to you, and you use some of it and make some interesting, nice websites, and you even deploy them on the web so that you can share information with people and also make a lot of money in the process, right? So thank you so much once again, and if there is anything that you want to know about HTML, or if there is something that I haven't covered in the course and you would want me to explain to you personally, you can comment on this video or any other video in this course, or you can also send me messages. You can visit my channel, and you can even catch up with me on Facebook or Google Plus or Twitter, or you can send me emails, right? And you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and there are some other courses that I have on my channel on shell scripting, Python, C and SQL. So if you want to learn any of those subjects, then you can check out my playlist on those subjects, right? So thank you, and please take care of yourself, and make interesting websites, and that's it.